In this video, I will be showing you how to create shipping discount on Shopify store. The first thing you'll need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select discounts. After doing that, you're going to tap on create discount. Then we're going to select free shipping. Once you have done that, you will have two options. You can either select discount code, meaning that customers will need to enter the discount code to get access to the free shipping, or you can select automatic discount. This means that free shipping will automatically be offered to the customers. Then you can type in a title for your discount. So let's say, for example, test. You can scroll down. Would you like to offer free shipping to all countries or only selected countries? If it is selected countries, you can tap on selected countries, then tap on search countries, and you'll browse and select the countries that you would like to offer the discount on. If you have selected all countries, then you can continue. After doing that, you can scroll down. Would you like to offer the discount on a minimum purchase amount or a minimum quantity of items? So let's say, for example, they will need to spend at least $10 before they'll get access to the free shipping. After doing that, you can choose a start and end date if you want by tapping on set end date. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. But before doing that, let me change the title right here. So I'll type in test 3, then tap on save. Now that I've done this, if I were to go over to the left hand menu option and select any one of these products, so let's say, for example, this product right here. Let me go back real quick. So let's say, for example, this product. After selecting the product, if I were to scroll down, you can see right here, if I were to tap on add to cart, then tap on view cart, you can see that it has been added right there. And keep in mind, to add this banner, I've done a tutorial on how to do that, and I'll be leaving the link in the description. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.